How to add or remove card on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add or remove card on Temu, open the Temu application on your device first and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the U option you see in the bottom center of the screen and now tap on settings here. You will see the option for your payment methods. Tap on that. Here, tap on the add a credit or debit card option and now go ahead and enter your card details such as card number, expiration date, and CVV and tap on the add your card option. With this, your card will be successfully added to Temu. In order to remove the card, the process is pretty much the same. Tap on settings and then on your payment methods. Here under credit card and debit card, you will see the card you just added. Tap on that and you will get the option for remove card. Tap on remove card and then on OK, and with this the card will be removed successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.